Hi guys! New profile is the main feature of Hidemyacc. Each profile is equivalent to a set of new computer and browser parameters, helping users to create multiple accounts with different identities without being detected. To create a new profile, click here, or the button New Profile. First, name your profile. If this field is empty, Hidemyacc will automatically name your profile after you click Create. Select the folder that you want this new profile to be assigned to. This feature is only available for accounts with an active plan that is equal or higher than the base plan. If no folder is selected, the new profile will appear in the General Profile section. Regarding other parameters, you can customize the operating system and browser configurations in the Overview section. In the new version, Hidemyacc provides two different browser sources, Ghosty and Marco. Marco is Hidemyacc's latest browser source and has just been released in the upgraded version 3.0. It was developed from our experience working on previous browser sources. Regarding the Proxy browser source, Hidemyacc will upgrade and add it to the software at a later time. With Ghosty, the starter plan supports fake parameters of Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. From the base plan and above, you can choose the operating systems on mobile phones such as Android and iOS. Regarding Marco, because it was developed later, it is the most complete browser source, and able to fake operating system and browser configurations better than Ghosty. As for operating systems, you can choose the latest versions of Windows 11, or macOS with M1, M2 chips. The operating systems on phones like Android and iOS will be updated in the Marco later. In terms of browsers, it works well with browsers based on Chromium such as Chrome, Brave, Opera, Edge, and Yandex. With a wide range of different parameters and configurations, you can customize the profile yourself or let the app automatically configure your new profiles. Next is the Proxy section. For users of the base plan and above, Hidemyacc provides thousands of free proxies. You can choose the target country, then the system will randomly assign a proxy to your profile. If you want to assign your own proxy to the profile, click your proxy. Select the proxy type and fill the proxy information below. Some proxy providers will send you a set of information including host port, username, password instead of separate information. In this case, instead of filling in each corresponding information section, you can add this set to the Quick Add section. You don't have to fill in both, but only need to fill one of these two sections. Then click Check to see the proxy status. If it shows an IP range like this, your proxy is live. If it shows an error, then your proxy is not working. You should recheck the proxy to continue using. In the version 3.0, Hidemyacc added the proxy management feature to manage the proxies that you have assigned to your profiles previously. In order to assign a proxy to the proxy management section, fill the proxy information in the Quick Add section or the section below, then click Add. Next time, you can add the proxy by clicking on it without having to fill the information once again. You can search the proxies using the search bar, or filter them based on these criteria. You can also copy, edit, or delete the proxy. Next comes the extensions section. In the latest version, Hidemyacc has integrated some common extensions. You can choose them here instead of having to download and install from the Chrome Web Store. When you install the extensions this way, even if you open your Hidemyacc profiles on other devices, the extensions are still available without having to be reinstalled. In order to install extensions, you can select your desired extensions, then click Install. If you want the profiles created after this one to have the same extensions installed, for example this extension, click on the star icon. Click again to disable this feature. Which installed extensions will be displayed on the left side of the screen. To uninstall, click on the trash can icon. The extension status will also be back to ready to install. If the extension that you want is not available on the system, you will need to upload it from your computer. Click Upload, drag the folder containing the extensions from your computer here. Uploaded extensions will be displayed below. You can delete or continue to upload other extensions. After uploading the desired extensions, click Upload. These extensions after upload will be displayed in the Installed Extensions section. Simultaneously, they are also saved on your data system in the Your Extensions section above the system's available extensions. You can reuse these extensions for other profiles without having to re-upload. After installing your desired extensions, go to the Advanced section. Here you can edit time zone, WebRTC, geolocation. By default, these parameters will be configured based on the proxy you assign in the Proxy section. If you want to change, refer to the time zone, WebRTC, geolocation video linked in the description. In the Others section, there are some following parameters that you should pay attention to. Security. Sync data on the cloud. By default, this feature will be enabled. Thus, your cookies and browsing history will be saved online, so you can log into your Hidemyacc account and use it anywhere. If it is turned off, these data are only saved offline at the computer that you have logged in. Navigator. As for the screen resolution, hardware concurrency, device memory, you can leave it at default or configure it yourself. You can edit and add browser languages here. Click Save to save the edit. Mask media devices. If you turn it on, the system will automatically fake parameters such as video inputs, audio outputs, or you can customize it yourself. If it is turned off, these parameters will be the same as the original computer you are using. Finally, in the Others section, you can turn on, off, or edit the parameters. Clear cache. Turn this on to clear caches after closing the browser. This helps reduce profile usage and speed up profile running. Restore last browser session. If you want to restore previously closed tabs, enable this feature. Don't allow sites to show images. You can turn this on if you want to speed up web access or reduce the amount of website access, for example when you use a proxy charged per GB to farm accounts. When this feature is turned off, the image will be displayed normally. Mute audio. If you do not want to play the sound when running the profiles, you can turn this on instead of turning off the sound directly in the browser. Notes. If you want to make any notes for this profile, start URL. This is the link that will open as soon as the profile is run. The default is the IPFighter website. This website helps you check the browser's proxy parameters and scores, and other browser fingerprint parameters. You can change this link with other links. That's it for the Advanced section. The last one is the Cookies section. If you want to reuse old cookies from previous browsers, drag the cookie file from your computer here, or fill it out directly below. After you have finished configuring the profile, click Create. Then you have successfully created a new profile. You can edit it in the Edit section. Click Run to run the profile. Then you can use it to access the desired websites. After running the profile, if you encounter errors such as snap, syncing, etc., click Troubleshooting in the Support Center section, find the error and select Fix. After you've successfully fixed it, you can use the profile normally. To learn more about other features, you can refer to the videos on our YouTube channel Hidemyacc. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team via Telegram, Facebook, Skype, or WhatsApp. Thank you and good luck!